Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make crochet twist braids, step-by-step tutorial for beginners. If you are new here, I'm Ngugo Sharon. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and check out my DIY hair tutorials. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you the hair tutorial that you've seen on my thumbnail. I have my string here as usual. I'm going to tie it around the door just to secure it. And then right here I have this Angel's braiding hair. It's color 1/350. This is a mixture of black and maroon as usual. I have 4 packs. As you can see, it's long. I'll start with the basics. I'll remove the hair from the packet and then I'm going to try to smoothen it with my hand. I'm not going to use any oil on it yet. I already have my string here. I hope you can see that. I'm going to just use my usual technique. Hold the hair enough and then I'll pass the circular part over here to the other side of the string, and then I'll bring this other side of the hair. I'll pick it up with these 2 fingers here. I'll pass it through this circular part and then I'll hold it and then I'll pull the rest of the hair to tighten it to make that knot right there. If you've been watching my videos, I know you now know how to loop the hair on the string. And this is the size I'm going to be using. So let me just finish the rest of camera super quick. I've already done a lot of tutorials on how to secure your hair on a string. So after some time, I'm now done securing my hair over here to my string. I'm going to divide the hair into 3. It's just a matter of security. I feel like if I just start twisting it from here, it can unravel and then I'll have to do that again. So I already divided my hair in 3 like you can see. I'm going to braid it 1, 2 and 3 times, just a little from the upper part here. And for the twisting part, you're going to need a little bit of oil so it moves smoothly. You can use Vaseline or any other oil that you have. Okay, so for the 3 parts, now I'm going to divide 1 part into 2, the middle part, and then I'll have now 2 pieces here. So these 2 pieces are what I'm going to be working with. So this is just a matter of moving your hand. You use these 2 fingers here. So you move the hair, you see, like this. And then you pass it to the other side again and again like that. Check out my latest lock tutorial, and thank you guys for 1K views in a few months. I'm really grateful for that. Check out my other lock tutorial that I did a year ago. You're going to like it. It's the first thing that you're going to meet when you get to my page. My second sister is very good at these twists. If she does your hair, it will be really neat. She does this so perfectly. Let me try my best. This is the first tutorial I'm doing like ever. The first step is to give our hair security at the top. I'll do that by braiding it a few times, 2 or 3 times, like I said before. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'll now divide the third piece of hair that is in the middle here, this one here, into two, to both sides, to left and right. And then now I have 2 pieces left. Now I'm going to just move the hair. You pass the one on the right to the left, and then the one on the left to the right, as you try to kind of squeeze it on your fingers. And you do it closely and closely, like I'm doing here. If you take very big steps, then it becomes a little messy in the middle. And I have a lot of DIY hair tutorials up on my channel. Check them out. If you reach where the hair, one of the hair is long and then the other one is short, just divide the longer hair a little and then add it to the one that is less, like that. And then now you just continue twisting or braiding your hair through to the end. And then for these twists, if you don't braid it to the end, it will unravel. So you better just try your best and finish it up once and for all, rather than leaving it halfway and then going back to it. After some time, this is how far I've come. So I actually found a way of doing this that makes them even neater. So the other method, I'll call that the first method. And then now I'll show you the second method. So I'll just start by braiding my hair like I did before. And then I'll divide the middle hair here in two, to go to the left and to the right, like I explained before again. And then I'm just going to go ahead and now twist it. So it's just moving the hair in your hand like this. That's the way I'm doing it. So for this, you see I'm not holding this like this and this. So the only hand I'm moving here is my right hand here. So the hair on my right hand, like the one I'm holding now, and then I'll just pass it to the right again. So that's the second method, a little tighter and a little much neater. So you see, I'm not moving this hand. So for the first method, I was just doing it like this. You see that? And the first ones that I did over here, I realized they're just okay, but they're not neat like the ones I'm doing right now. Check out my box braid tutorial that I did a few months ago. I'll link one down below in my description box so you can get to access it. Or should I just link a playlist? So I'm almost done. I only have these 3 left. You see my thumb here, it's still, and then my index finger here, it receives there, and then my middle finger releases it, grabs it and releases it as shown in the video. I hope you've learned how to twist your hair and the steps that you need to follow. I hope you didn't miss out on anything. I'm finally done. I want to show you this. Since these are crochet braids, I have this hole here, the one that I usually leave behind. The part that I started braiding for security. Now you see, even if I remove this hair like this, the twist is not unraveling. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and just try to pass my hand through it like this, so I can get rid of any extra hair in it super quick. I'm going to go ahead and now cut the heads. As you can see, they are very messy. Okay, now let's go ahead and tie this. I'm just going to roll my hair together to form a bundle. And this bundle is ready. Look how cute it looks. The second bundle is ready again. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a little oil to them. I am super excited to have this on my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up with the glitter ropes. So to finish up, I'll add them to the packet that I removed my wood from. My packets are not packeting today. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my more uploads. Thanks for watching again, and see you in my next video. Bye.